Hello students, in this video we are going to take a look at example 2 of creating equations. So that is going to be our concept, creating equations. And the question has been picked from your Triumph Learning Book for Performance Coach. And the question says sum of 13 and 2 raised to a power is 21. What is the power? So pretty much simple question going here, but it can get really confusing because what can happen is that students can think in two ways. They may think sum of 13 and is separate, or they may take sum of 13 and 2 together and then raise it to a power. So we have to read it carefully. Sum of 13. That means we are adding 13 to something, correct? Because sum has to be with two people. So this is one person here and one here. And that sum is equal to 21. So what is the other person? One is 13, sum of 13 and 2 raised to a certain power. So that's my other person, 2 raised to a certain power. So 2 raised to a certain power plus 13 equals 21. The vital part about this concept is basically creating your equation. If your equation is created correctly, you will be eventually solving it correctly. But if you make a mistake in creating your equation, then your answer is also going to be wrong. So students, here I'm trying to get my 2 to the power of x, or the term that has an x, because x is grumpy. I'm trying to separate this term here. So I subtract 13. And power means like if I have x to the power of 3, that means on the little side I have a little 3 going, or it means x times x times x, that x is getting multiplied 3 times. That's the meaning of power basically. All right, so we have 2 to the power of x equals 13 and 13 are gone from here. 21 minus 13 is 8. Now we have to calculate x. There is an easy way to calculate. Think about it as if I multiply 2 a certain number of times, how many times will give me the answer as 8? So that means if I multiply 2 times 2, it has given me 4 but not 8. Okay, how about adding another 2? 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2, 8. So yes, I have gotten the answer that I was looking for. How many 2's did I use? 3. So that means 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So they were asking me the power. The power is 3. Again, students, as you can see, I highlighted the meat of the question. So I read the question carefully. Then I highlighted the meat of the question. Then I created the equation. And after that, solving is pretty much a piece of cake for you. Isolating x is our main strategy here. So I hope it made some sense, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. This was example 2. Have a good one. Bye.